Most of what disturbs you has not happened yet. You suffer far more in imagination than in reality, and the mind exhausts itself by replaying futures that may never arrive. It becomes restless when it tries to control outcomes it was never meant to command. Peace begins the moment effort replaces obsession, when you stop wrestling with what might be and return to what is. You do not need to solve your entire life today. You only need to handle the next correct action in front of you. Mental noise grows when everything feels urgent, yet very little truly is. If something lies outside your control, it does not belong in your worry. Release it without guilt. Wanting certainty in an uncertain world only creates tension, but accepting uncertainty allows that tension to loosen its grip. The need to be right often costs more peace than it ever gives power. Understanding is quieter than victory, yet far stronger. Complaining rehearses helplessness, while acceptance restores agency. Your attention is limited, more valuable than time itself, and it must be spent deliberately rather than habitually. A cluttered schedule often hides avoidance. Simplicity, though uncomfortable at first, exposes what truly matters. You are not required to react to every thought that enters your mind. Some thoughts deserve silence, not answers. Inner calm is not passive resignation. It is disciplined restraint. When you slow your actions, your thinking sharpens. Haste rarely signals strength. You cannot think your way into clarity. You act your way into it. Doing one thing fully carries more power than doing many things distracted. Most fears dissolve when faced directly, but delay gives them room to grow. External chaos loses its authority when internal order is strong. You do not need more motivation. You need fewer excuses. The mind settles when the body follows routine. Order creates freedom. Peace is not found by avoiding difficulty. It is found by meeting it without resistance. If a thought does not help you act wisely, let it pass like a cloud that was never meant to stay. Not every opinion deserves space in your mind. Choose your influences with care. Stillness reveals what noise conceals. You grow lighter the moment you stop carrying imagined burdens. Clarity does not come from addition, but from subtraction. Discipline is choosing long-term calm over short-term comfort. What you practice daily becomes your default state. A focused mind turns ordinary moments into meaningful ones. You are not late. You are exactly where your actions have placed you. Release what you cannot control and strengthen what you can. In doing so, calm is no longer something you chase. It becomes something you carry.